Hey, this is Riley from McNaught. Let's take a look at our 2015 Cadillac ATS base model sedan. This is a great all-wheel drive powered by the 2.0 turbocharged engine. It's a great four-cylinder engine paired up with a 6-speed automatic, getting you great highway fuel economy and plenty of power when you need it the most. This thing could do 0 to 60 in just under 6 seconds, so it's a really quick car. Now, this is the Black Raven exterior paint. You've got 17-inch aluminum wheels on all-season tires. Moving around to the back, LED taillights with the light bar spoiler. You've also got the dual exhaust system located down below. Now, last thing I want to point out on this vehicle is the remote start feature. If you want to hit that lock button once and hold down remote start, it's going to fire right up. So inside the ATS, you're going to find the jet black leather interior. Very nice premium materials here. The front seats are heated and fully power adjustable with your lumbar support. Over here on the driver's door panel, you're going to find lots of soft touch materials, white stitching. You've got the power adjustable mirrors, 1 touchdown windows, and Bose premium audio. That's a 10-speaker system. And located just down back here is going to be your trunk button. So inside the ATS, you're going to find 32,760 kilometers on the odometer as of this recording. Now, a couple features with the steering wheel. Leather wrapped, of course. You've got your cruise controls to the left with your hands-free call button. And on the right side, you're going to find your volume buttons and your 5-point command center, which is going to control that center screen, which you could configure for your speedometer, your radio, or trip counter. Over here on the right hand side, you've got your radio with Bluetooth phone pairing, OnStar Nav, and Sirius XM radio. Below that, you're going to find your climate controls with the front heated seats. You've also got a small storage compartment with a DC charge outlet. And over here by your gear selector, you do have a manual mode, as well as your traction control and drive mode selector. Now, there's 3 modes in this vehicle. There's a touring, sport, and snow mode. Inside the armrest, you're going to find some USB ports, SD card slot, and an auxiliary. And if you move on up here, you're going to find your OnStar buttons and interior dome lights. Backseat space in the ATS is pretty good. You've got enough room for 3 adult passengers without a problem. Your own set of climate vents in the back, as well as a leather-wrapped armrest with access into the rear trunk. These seats do fold down nice and flat if you need some space for larger items. Once again, we'll move around the back end of the ATS one more time, take a better look at it. And this thing was kept in absolutely mint condition. Previous owner kept this thing serviced at McNaught, always on time. So if you're looking for a great, affordable, sporty sedan, the ATS is a solid choice. This thing's certified pre-owned, 1 owner, and you definitely can't go wrong.